Hello everyone, it's Elle from gmailfiend once again, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to pin Gmail to your taskbar. So in my case that will be the dock since I'm using a MacBook. So what you have to do first is of course access your Gmail account, and once you have done that, then just go to the upper right corner of your screen. So beside your icon you would see an icon that has 3 dots. So just click that and just navigate downwards and you will see the more tools option. So once you click that or hover your mouse pointer, you would see several more options. So what you have to do is click create shortcut. So once you have done that, just click open as window and click create. And as you can see, we have Gmail into my taskbar. So if I want to pin it, what I have to do is just right click options and keep in dock. So in Windows that would be pinned to taskbar. So yes, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.